YLI magnetic lock with buzzer is made of high-strength aluminum alloy and with sufficient holding force, strong and durable. YLI magnetic lock with buzzer are with 4 special features. Buzzer alarm. Built-in a set of overtime door closing alarm. When the door is not closed within the set time, 0 to 20 seconds adjustable, the internal buzzer will alarm until the door is closed. LED indicator: green, unlocked; red, locked. Signal output: lock status signal output. Real-time detection of door opening status to meet access control requirements. Anti-residual magnetism. Special electromagnetic materials are adopted. No residual magnetism after power off.